Apple has released iOS 26.4, and in this video we are going to learn what are the new features and changes that we have got in iOS 26.4. So if you have an iPhone and you are going to install iOS 26.4 and update your iPhone to that new iOS version, then these are the top few features that you are going to get on your iPhone. So let's see what are the new features that iOS 26.4 will bring on your iPhone. The first thing you will notice after updating to iOS 26.4 on your iPhone is when you will go to settings, then scroll and then go to privacy and security. There you will see that the stolen device protection will be enabled by default. Currently this is turned off on my iPhone, but in your case this will be turned on by default. So basically, stolen device protection adds an extra layer of security to your iPhone. So if someone snatches your iPhone and tries to make changes to your data, then this will simply not allow the snatcher to make any changes, and they will need to be at a familiar location to make any changes to your Apple account or iCloud account. So this is pretty useful feature, and you must make sure that you have turned on stolen device protection. And by the way, after iOS 26.4 update, this will be turned on by default. So you don't need to worry if you just update it to iOS 26.4. Alright, the next new feature you will notice after updating to iOS 26.4 on your iPhone is inside the Music app. The Music app on your iPhone has got several new changes in iOS 26.4 update, and one of them is the visual changes inside the Music app, especially in the playlist options. If you just go to Library tab, and there if you open any playlist, you will notice that the playlist has also got changes in the background. You can see the new background added here, and this changes depending upon the music art that your playlist has got. So depending upon what kind of music you have added to the playlist and their cover art, you will see the visual changes for the background color here for the albums and playlist on Apple Music. And apart from that, if you just go to Home tab, there you can scroll and see there would be the option for concerts. So if there is some concerts or shows are going around you or happening, then you will see the details regarding that. Currently you can see there aren't any shows happening around me, so I can also tap on change location and add any other location and see what kind of concerts or shows are happening in that location. Alright, apart from that, there is also more changes related to Music app, and that is regarding the music widget that we have got new inside the iOS 26.4. You can see there is this new music widget where you can play music depending upon the playlist like sleep, chill, productivity, well-being, etc. So ambient music is the name of the widget, and you can add this widget by simply long pressing on the home screen and then tapping on edit and then tap on add widget. And when you tap on add widget, you can scroll, and under ambient music you will see the widgets like this. You can see there is one small widget and there is another slightly bigger widget here. You can add any of these depending upon what you like. So I have added this one, so you have to simply tap on add widget and that would be added as widget on your home screen like this. So this ambient music widget is the new feature that has been added in iOS 26.4, and you can add this on your iPhone as well. Alright, now that we are talking about widget and customization, then iOS 26.4 has also got new customization options. If you just go to settings, then scroll a bit and then tap on Wallpaper, there you will be able to make changes to the wallpaper. But if you just tap on add new wallpaper, here you can scroll and see there are new wallpapers added here, and now you can simply tap on get option. Just like you download and install apps from the App Store, you can also download this wallpaper pack. You can see there is Emoji wallpaper pack named here. You can tap on get and this will be downloaded and installed on your iPhone. and you can use any of these wallpaper. And apart from that, there are some new wallpapers as well, so you can try any of these wallpaper packs. And in my opinion, this is one of the first step towards Apple moving to selling wallpaper packs. So they would sometimes introduce a subscription like Apple One, and they would also introduce exclusive wallpapers especially for the subscribed members. Anyways, this is just my personal opinion, but let's see what happens in the future. So let's get back to the wallpaper section. You can see that I have installed this wallpaper pack, and now if I want to remove the clutter and free up space, I can simply tap on this done check mark, and there I'll get the option to remove it from my gallery. So I can simply tap on remove from gallery and then confirm to remove, and this will be removed from the gallery, but you can still reinstall it by tapping on get. So this is a new feature inside iOS 26.4 customization options for the wallpaper. Alright, the next new feature you will notice after updating to iOS 26.4 on your iPhone is inside the camera settings on your iPhone. If you just go to camera settings and then tap on record sound, then you will see there is a new option here added, that is audio zoom feature. This will be turned on by default, and what this basically does is when you record any video and try to zoom on the subject, this when turned on keeps the focus for audio on the subject. So no matter even if the camera is zoomed, the audio remains focused on the subject when this setting is turned on. So just try this feature, and in case you don't like it, you may turn off this as well. Alright, the next new feature you will notice after updating to iOS 26.4 on your iPhone is that iOS 26.4 has introduced 8 new emojis on your iPhone. If I just open messages and show you, here you can see these are the new emojis that has been added to your iPhone after iOS 26.4. You can see if I tap here and then tap on emoji icon, you can see the new emoji, trombone, then flight cloud, orca, hairy creature, landslide, and ballet dancer along with distorted face has been added as new emojis in iOS 26.4. So if you are someone who uses lots of emojis on your iPhone while chatting, then this one should be the best new feature for your iPhone. By the way, let me know in the comments which emoji you like the most. Alright, next new feature you will notice after updating to iOS 26.4 on your iPhone is for the App Store. If you go to App Store, there you will see some visual changes as well as changes for the UI in the App Store. The biggest change you will notice after updating to iOS 26.4 inside the App Store app is the new search icon unified along with these options: today, games, apps, arcade, and search. Now you can see all these are integrated inside a unified layout. Earlier, before iOS 26.4, the search icon was slightly outside while these 4 were together, but now all these 5 are inside an integrated unified layout. Along with that, you will also notice that if you just tap on the profile icon here in the top right corner, you will see this new layout here as well. You can see we have got a sub page or separate page for the updates now, and there you can update the apps of your iPhone. Earlier this was under these options and you could update from here, but now the updates page has got separately available. And similarly for the subscription and App Store and purchase history as well. Also, you will notice this new layout for adding money, redeeming code, and sending gifts as well. And then there is this new option for family settings where you can make changes to your purchase sharing and subscription sharing as well. Now you can manage your family members from the App Store as well, and the best thing is all family members can have their separate payment methods and they don't have to rely on the organizer. So as you can see, I'm the organizer of my family group, and earlier any of the family member, if they tried to purchase any new app or subscription, they had to rely on my payment method. But now they can add their separate payment methods and make purchases from there as well, while still sharing the subscription and purchases with family group. So this is a good new feature that you can try after updating to iOS 26.4. And talking about the next new feature in iOS 26.4, similar to the new layout and UI changes for the search icon, similarly you can also see the new changes in the Games app. You can see now the search icon has been unified and integrated along with these other icons as well in the Games app, similar to the App Store that we just noticed. And apart from that, you will also notice some visual changes here as well in the Games app. Alright, the next new feature you will notice in iOS 26.4 is inside the podcast app. If you open podcast app, the podcast app has got the video functionality now. You can simply switch from audio to video or video to audio while listening to podcast inside the podcast app. If I show you here in the podcast app, if I go to new tab, here you will see the video section. Tap on that and then you can play a video podcast like this. And the good thing is you can quickly switch from audio to video by just one tap. So on one tap you can switch to video and another tap will switch to audio. And this new feature and change inside the podcast app is pretty cool feature of the iOS 26.4, because now you can listen to audio podcast as well as watch the video podcast from the same app, just like YouTube. And apart from that, there are some other changes as well inside the podcast app. Like if I go to profile options by tapping on the profile icon in the top right corner, you can see we have got a new layout here. Here you get the family settings now, and also other options like adding money, redeeming code and sending gifts. So basically same as the App Store settings for managing Apple account inside the App Store. Alright, the next new feature in iOS 26.4 that you will see on your iPhone is one of my favorite new feature, and that is related to Shazam app. So what happens is when you try to recognize any music by tapping on this Shazam icon, the music recognition needs an internet connection to find the music from humming. But now after iOS 26.4, this new feature has been added that you don't need the internet connection instantly. You can tap on the Shazam icon here and listen to music and try to recognize the music even if you are not connected to the internet. And when your iPhone gets connected to the internet or gets network connectivity, then it automatically searches and shows you the recognized music. So this new feature is one of my favorite one, that you don't need to rely on the internet connectivity to recognize the music now on your iPhone. So these are some of the top new features in iOS 26.4 on your iPhone. And apart from that, there are also some minor changes like reducing bright effects, and the Freeform app is getting this new icon inspired by the Apple Creator Studio program. And you may also use some premium content inside the Freeform app just like the other Apple Creator Studio apps. And also there are the new features for reducing motion and reducing animation for the liquid glass. And apart from that, the improved keyboard accuracy has also been added for the typing experience on your iPhone after updating to iOS 26.4. So these are some of the top new features in iOS 26.4 that you should try. I hope you found this video helpful. So that's pretty much for this video, but before you go, make sure you subscribe to the Tech Review Pro channel for more such tips, tricks and tutorial videos. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in next video.